So today let's discuss about the cell wall. Cell wall is common in plants, which is also found in bacteria, cyanobacteria, and it is a non-living thing, that is it is dead, and it is a rigid layer that is meant for the protection as exoskeleton. Likewise, it is meant for the mechanical support. It remains the shape. It prevents from desiccation. Likewise, talking about it has a porous. It is porous, that is permeable. It is selectively permeable, semi-transparent, protective covering that is secreted by the cytoplasma. And in bacteria, in cyanobacteria, cell wall is made up of murein, which is also known as peptidoglycan, or which is also known as mucopeptide, which is also known as mucopeptide. And likewise, in case of fungi, the cell wall is made up of chitin. In case of fungi, it is made up of chitin, that is chitinous wall is present in likewise crustaceans like crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. This exoskeleton is made up of chitin. In case of insects also, and this is the chitin, which is also in brief it is also known as N-acetyl glucosamine. They are made up of N-acetyl glucosamine. And the plant cell without cell wall, the plant cell without cell wall is mycoplasma. I have already mentioned in the previous videos that mycoplasma, no cell wall, they have no cell wall, mycoplasma. Likewise, gametes, likewise zoospores, likewise slime mold, that are under the class Myxomycetes, they all lack cell wall. Cell wall formed during the cytokinesis from the vesicles of Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum. Cell without cell wall is called protoplast. Another important point is cell without cell wall is called protoplast. This is also an important point for you guys. And in case of the higher plants, the cell wall consists of different layers, that is middle lamellae, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, tertiary wall. The first one is the primary wall, which is the outermost layer, that is thin elastic, which is composed of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. Likewise, another is the secondary wall. Secondary wall is rigid, thick, and it is composed of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin, but it is absent in case of meristem cells. Meristem cells lack secondary wall. Likewise, talking about the tertiary wall, it is present only in tracheids of gymnosperm, which is composed of hemicellulose and xylem. Likewise, the last one is the middle lamella. So the middle lamella is a cement material. It is a cement material. You can just imagine, this is the, here is the middle lamella. It is a cement material which is between the two adjacent cells, or the outermost layer of the wall, where now the primary wall is considered as the outermost layer, and the middle lamella is the common layer between the two cells, and it is made up of calcium and magnesium pectins. So this is also an important objective question. Which of the following is made up of calcium and magnesium pectins? And your answer will be middle lamella. Okay, calcium and magnesium pectate. This is also an important question for you guys. Likewise, cell wall was first of all discovered by Robert Hooke, which is also known as the father of cytology. And another thing is that cell wall is not present in case of animal cell, and it is present in the plant cell, and the bacteria are inside the plants because of the presence of cell wall in it. And likewise, the middle lamella is the middle lamella. The two important terms of middle lamella, they are the one who joins the two cells. They are made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. Likewise, it is the first layer to be formed during cytokinesis.